The example I give people is it's like if I have $100 in my pocket, I'm not going to then go to the bank if I need to buy something that's $80 because I already have it. It's like it's easy, right? I can just hand you that money. And it's the exact same thing with your body is that if you just ate 5 hours ago and you haven't burned all that fuel up, now all of a sudden my body's going to be like, okay, I'm going to go right to my stomach or right to my glycogen stores to get that. So it's a really difficult question to answer, but I would say in general, once your stomach starts growling, it means that you are on E, right? You're on empty at that point. And so typically our body stores like 1 day's worth of glycogen. So after about 24 hours of glycogen, you probably are looking at, okay, it's probably used that up. So I would say in general, 24 hours, maybe 30 to 36 hours, most people have burned most of what they ate. But again, if you just completely binged out, then you've had like 2 full pizzas.
Yeah.
After 36 hours, your glycogen stores might not have gone to empty.
All right, well, Chantel, thank you so much for answering all these questions on intermittent fasting. And if they have more questions or want more information on intermittent fasting, where should they go?
So we have an intermittent fasting group. So check out our Waste Away intermittent fasting group. I think it's called Intermittent Fasting Community Group. You can look for that. So join our Facebook group. You can also go download the podcast. I have 2 podcasts. One's called Waste Away through intermittent fasting, and one is the Fasting Resets podcast. So both of those have great information. And then also go to the fastingresetsummit.com. And that's where we had 46 guests talk about everything you could possibly want to know. And it's all about fasting.